guys, how's it going? This is Robot on Fire here. Welcome back to another Minecraft tutorial, and in this one I will be showing you guys how to make a Jeb Door on the Bedrock Edition. So if my last video on Jeb Doors did not work for you, this one should. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys this Jeb Door. If we go ahead and turn around and flick this lever, it should open up and we can walk on through, and then on the other side we can go ahead and close it. There we are. Then we can open it and then walk on through, and yeah, that's the Jeb Door. So if we go ahead and take a look at the redstone, it uses a bit more redstone than the other one, but it still is pretty basic and simple and should not take up that much room. So we just got some basic redstone wirings, nothing too complicated. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll show you guys how to build this Jeb Door. Alright, so for this build you will need 12 sticky pistons, 2 redstone repeaters, 29 redstone dust, 2 blocks of glass, 2 levers or any other inputs you want to use, and you will also need blocks to build with. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to have a 5 blocks long and 2 blocks wide area, and you want to go ahead and take out all of your sticky pistons, and you want to place 4 of them just right here, and then next to it you want to place 2 just like this, and then do the same thing on this side over here. Whoopsies. Okay, so there we go. And then you want to take out some blocks and just place them just like right here. This will be the door. Okay, so now on top you're going to add some more blocks, place them just right there, and now we're going to take out our repeaters and just place them along just like this. There we go, and now set them to a 4-tick delay, and then take out some more blocks and just place them just like that. Okay, so now we're going to add some more blocks right here and redstone dust. There we go. Let's add some more redstone, and then let's just do the same thing over here. Let's go ahead and take out our blocks and just add some more over here. Okay, so let's just add our redstone dust and then go ahead and fill in this wall right here, and then just do the same thing on the other side, and then add another block right here and right there, and add some more redstone dust on top. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and take out our glass and place one right there with redstone dust on top, and then go ahead and place a block right here with more redstone dust on top, and then go ahead and break it right there. Oh, whoops, I didn't mean to break that glass. You want to break down there and add some more redstone dust, and then go ahead and dig down here, and you're going to add some more redstone dust. This will wire the sticky pistons. Okay, add some more redstone dust, and then we just need to wire these sticky pistons over here. So let's go ahead and place some redstone dust on top of these sticky pistons, and then add some more blocks next to it with some redstone dust on top. Okay, so now do the same thing on the other side. So just get some more glass, go ahead and get some more blocks too, and just place redstone dust on top of all of them. There we go, and you're going to want to dig down right here, and just dig down. And then once you dig all the way down, we're just going to place our redstone dust on the bottom over here. There we go, place our redstone dust, and that's almost all the wiring done. We just need to add some blocks here with some redstone dust on there. So now we're pretty much almost done with this build. We just need to add some blocks here, and just like that. And then go ahead and finish up the ceiling right here. Just add some blocks and some redstone dust. There we go. Now we can take out our levers and then place them down here, and then we can close it and open it, and it should work perfectly. So we close it and open it. Perfect. So now we just want to go on the other side and then just add a lever right there. So then bam, you have your Jeb Door complete. Alright everyone, that's the end of this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if it helped you out, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.